In this video, I want to share with you a special announcement about something I've been working on for the past couple weeks. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that special announcement, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch on Demand. So today is Friday, February 14th, 6:22 a.m. Happy Valentine's Day. But I'm already sitting at 3 sales, $7 in royalties. Yesterday, I did 35 sales and $42 in royalties. But that is going to put me at 588 sales for the month and $777 in royalties for February. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. I post my daily sales for both Merch on Demand and Etsy. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. All right, so the big announcement that I have that I'm really excited to share with you guys is that I'm now offering memberships on Skool. If you don't know what Skool is, it's basically a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. So this is it right here. And you're going to see it's broken down into community, classroom, calendar, members, leaderboards, and about. Now, the majority of your time, if you do decide to sign up, is going to be in the community tab, because basically what you're going to get is similar to what I used to do when I was offering memberships on my YouTube channel. And don't worry, if you decide not to sign up for this, I'm still going to be making content for my subscribers if you want free content. But what I've noticed that there's just a lot of people that want a paid niche service. So I want to be able to, satisfy both markets, people that just want to be subscribers, get free content, and also people that want, a paid niche service. So basically what you get if you decide to sign up for my Skool community is you're going to get daily trending niches and prompts. All right, so here we go right here. Like for example, today is February 14th. It's Valentine's Day. So today I have 3 trending niches for you. So the way that it works is you're going to see trending niches February 14th. Niche 1, don't make me angry, I'll start acting like my mother. That's the niche. Then you have a link, kind of similar to like how I used to do it on YouTube. Here's a link to a design that is recently selling, and then you get a prompt. All right, so you get a trending niche with a prompt, and then here's the second niche, so Bulldog Mom Club. You get the link, you get the prompt, and then the third niche is Proud Grandma of a Cookie Dealer. Comes with the link and the prompt. Now, I do have a disclaimer, so you want to make sure that you read that, and then here are what the designs from the prompts looks like, and you can actually just download these and use these if you want, but here you can see what they look like. Here are the niches from yesterday. Now, sometimes it's going to be 3 trending niches. Sometimes it's just going to be 2 trending niches. Sometimes it's going to be 1 trending niche. Sometimes there's not anything trending, or there's something trending, but it's not safe. It's like trademark stuff like, Super Bowl or whatever. And so when there's nothing trending, then I'm just going to be doing like evergreen niches. I'll give you an example of that. So here is an example from yesterday of 2 trending niches. Again, you can see how I have it set up with the niche, the link, and the prompt. And you can see what the designs look like right here. Let me go ahead and show you this one. So 3 days ago, I was only able to find 1 trending niche that I thought had value. So what I did is I just came up with different prompts, which I'll share with you with my GPTs here in a second, on how you can get different variations. But here you can see I took 1 trending niche, which is this Deport and Now I'm Back, and just share with you guys some different prompts, different design styles. All right, so there's not always going to be something trending. Just kind of depends what the market is showing us. But right here, we're going to see like this one, there wasn't anything trending that day. So I just came up with 3 evergreen niches that are low in competition. All 3 of these were like under 200. So Straighten Up Southern, that's the niche. The keyword, yep, I'm the ring dude. Here is the third one. It's not hoarding if it's books. Comes with a link so you can see what the actual niche or design looks like that I'm recommending. Comes with a prompt that you can use for ideogram. And then here are what the designs look like right here. So basically every day you're going to be getting, trending niches with prompts or evergreen niches. All right, so that is basically the meat and potatoes of it. But there's also this classroom right here. So if you click on classroom, you're also going to get access to my 3 GPTs. Now I have to mention here, if you anybody that wants access to GPT, you have to pay ChatGPT a $20 membership subscription. You have to be part of their Plus program. There's no way that I can get around that. All right, so that is something that's separate. So if you want access to the GPTs, it is $20 a month with ChatGPT. So I just need to mention that to you. But you're going to get access to these GPTs that I've been making videos about. So this one right here, the SEO Keyword Vault. This is, let me just click on it right here. This is how you can get really good keywords. So I made a video about this the other day. Let me just get my face out the way. I'll just very quickly just show you kind of like how it works. I just need to get a design real quick. So let's just go with like this one right here. Kind of doing this on the fly. So basically you just take a design and then you can upload it and it will give you really good SEO, bullet 1, bullet 2, all that good stuff. And once I'm done showing you this, I'll show you the other GPTs I've been working on that I like a lot. So here we go. It's going to give us some title options. It's going to give us a brand suggestion. It's going to give us bullet 1, bullet 2. And it's going to give us a really detailed, look at this description, 2-paragraph description loaded with SEO. All right, so you're going to have access to this GPT. The second GPT is for prompts, because a lot of times with my YouTube members, people were saying, yeah, but everybody's just going to be uploading the same design because they get the same prompt basically. So what you can do here with this GPT is basically get new design variations, different prompts. So we can take that same design right here, we can upload it, and what it's going to do, it's going to give us 9 new prompts, and it's going to change up the design style, the design phrase, and it's going to add in some different elements. So let's see right here. So here are 3 sets of alternative prompt ideas for fresh t-shirt design. So it's going to give us 3 prompts right here of unique variations of the same theme. And you can just copy and paste this, pop it in Ideogram. So here are 3 brand new prompts right here. And then it should give actually 9. Would you like me to refine further? Or let's go with yes, please. So here we're going to get some more prompts, but this GPT is specifically designed for merch on demand. So unique variations of the same theme. This way people are not uploading the exact same prompt. And then here we got fresh visual elements and artistic style. And then we have an entirely new concept for dance related t-shirts. So this GPT is really good to give different designs, different prompts. And then the third GPT, if we go back to school right here, is going to be for Amazon ads. So this one right here, Mikey's AMS Merch Assistant. And what you can do here with this one is you can click on it. And again, we can upload that same design. And this GPT is going to generate us 50 AMS keywords for merch designs and niches. Now you don't have to upload a design. You can type in a niche. You can even type in a prompt. Right here, we're going to see it's going to give us a quick little summary about the design. So here it talks about what the design is, what the phrase is. And it's going to ask us, would you like a list of keywords? We're going to say yes. And here we're going to see that it's going to knock out 50 keywords. You can actually ask it to do more. You can ask it to give you another 50. But this GPT is specifically designed, or I instructed it specifically for merch on demand keywords for Amazon advertising campaigns. So right here, you can just copy and paste all of these right here. Then you can just pop them in to your ads. So here we're going to see it has like general dance related keywords, grandparent specific keywords, competitive and performance dance keywords. So you can see it's got some really good keywords that we can use for our merch on demand advertising campaigns. So you get access to the 3 GPTs right there. But what's also really cool about school is that, you know, if the more you participate, the more you comment, the more you like, you actually get points, and you get up to this leaderboard right here. And when you get a certain amount of points, you get these bonuses. You get access to like these other tools and courses. So like right here, once you get like a certain score or whatever, you'll get this 1,000, this PDF or this Word file of 1,000 evergreen niches for print on demand. You'll get my 30 St. Patrick prompts, 30 Mardi Gras prompts, 30 Thanksgiving prompts, 50 4th of July prompts, 75 back to school prompts. So the more you participate, the more prompts you'll get. Now, also anytime I put out any new Word file on my Pay Hip Shop, like I'm going to be doing some Easter prompts. I'm going to be doing some, you know, what's it called? The Spanish one. Gotta look at my notes here, Cinco de Mayo. You know, anytime I put out a new Word file, you're also going to get access to that. I'll send you a, what's it called? A custom code, a promo code, and you can just use that to upload and download it. So that is what you get when you sign up for my school program. Oh, there's also the calendar. So once a month, we're going to do a monthly Q&A call, hour-long Q&A call, where you can just ask me any questions. You can also always message me. Let's see what else we got here. There's going to be like a contest. So right here, we're going to see we have contests and challenges. So we'll do like whoever is top of the leaderboard gets like a monetary prize at the end of the month. We're also going to do like design contests. So it's just basically a community for merch on demand where you're going to get, niches, trendy niches, evergreen niches, prompts. Then you get access to my GPTs. We do the monthly Q&A. You get all my prompts that I make. I've also been doing like wall prompts, Tumblr prompts as well. So you'll get those for free as I put those out. But that is the announcement that I wanted to share with you guys. It is school. It's only $24 a month. It comes out to only 80 cents a day. You can try it for a month, see how you like it. If you don't like it, then you can just cancel it at any time. No big deal. But honestly, I think it's a pretty good value for daily niches like this right here. This right here is only 80 cents. And then basically what you can do is you can just, take this design right here, and then you can pop it into one of the GPTs to get all the keywords. You can even pop it into the second GPT and get a whole bunch of different prompt ideas or design ideas. And then you can even pop it into the third GPT and get keywords if you want to run ads for these designs. All right, so if you're interested, the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. If not, it's all good. I will continue making my 3 videos a week, my reels, my shorts on Instagram for my subscribers. But I just noticed that there's a market for both, people who want the free content, and there's also a market for people who want a paid niche service. So I'm going to try and make both happy. So that's basically it. So let me know what you guys think. Link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.